with the MSME sector, engage them and see to it that they get the facility of this MSME collateral loans so that they are able to revive their small industries, and see to it that Tamil Nadu, which is known for home industry, which is known for small scale industry, which is known for medium scale industry, they should flourish. And we have also seen to it that we have changed the definition of MSME sector, so people should take the advantage of it, and we should see that the economic activity in Tamil Nadu comes out with full pace and use the opportunity of this Atmanirbhar package. The same way for farmers, we are going to have 1 lakh crore to be dispersed only for the infrastructure of farmers, only for the value addition of the producers of farmers. So it becomes our prime responsibility. I would request Muruganji and his team to participate in the formation of FPOs, which is known as Farmers Producers Organization. In huge number, all the booth committees should be activated to see to it that these FPOs, in these FPOs, we are involving the farmers, and the progressive farmers should come up and should be the part and parcel of the FPOs, that is the Food Producers Organization. When we will do this, the farmers will be able to understand what do they need from this 1 lakh crore rupees to be spent on the infrastructure at the grassroots level, at the local level. For that, I would request that BJP should take the lead. Prime Minister Modi's vision of changing the crisis into an opportunity in the agriculture field by value addition should be taken as a responsibility of the Bharatiya Janata Party Tamil Nadu unit to see that we are able to bring the farmers into the mainstream.